Yo, make your money, man. However you feel like you need to make your money, man. If that's
Don't blood.
With the feds hot on their trails, time is running out for this notorious Jamaican shotters.
A long time I tell the man and say, yo, me for set up shop, man. I start run some illegal activities around here, man.
You man?
What you mean?
Illegal?
Yeah, man.
Like what?
Stocking up with the ATL, nothing illegal is too illegal to have. You want it, they have it.
Look for people time.
All the blood clot girl that won't care for self pussy around here, now but fuck off that.
Let's go no boss.
My husband was supposed to be dead.
Me not shoot no bullets.
You ain't no damn shot
I look for me a gunshot you forget.
But you know who I am.
Who the fuck you was?
But could one loose end left untied in the form of the police unravel it all? Or could the love of a family decide the ultimate destiny? A Hungry Man Films presents Illegal Activities.
The green, white, and the cream. Don't be stupid unless you're trying to be seen. I mean,
Fuck you motherfucking Jamaicans think you can come down here to Georgia and run shit? This my motherfucking